Ever wondered how a WordPress plugin comes together? Well, if you want, we are going to make a video about this plugin, about searching. So how this plugin works, let's check it out. So here is our plugin. Now if I active this plugin requires Elementor to install. Now let's install the Elementor. Our required plugin is installed. Now let's active this plugin here. After activating this plugin, we can have a post type here called search form. Alright, so let's click on the search form. Alright, how is its work? Let's edit this post type. So from which post type we want to search from? In this case, we have selected or typed the post type. For the node who don't know what is the post type is, like here the post section is a post type, the page section is a post type, and so on. So currently we're giving a name here about the post type. So if we search something, then this will find from the post records. So let's search something here. For instance, let's search for hello. So we all know that there is a hello world post there. So what if this can be embeddable to any page? So let's embed it in a simple search page that we have created previously. So in this page, I want to just simply use the basic editor here. Let's reload it once again. Then we can delete it, then save it, and let's have a block called shortcut and paste our shortcut here. Now save it. Then if we want to view this page, our search container is arrived here also. Now let's search for lorem. So you can see this is fetched all our posts that is contain lorem word there, because I have generated all the posts using FactorPress, so they have contained lorem word inside their post type. Now let's do it with Elementor. So let's edit this page with Elementor, then let's delete it. So let's have a section here, Flexbox section. For instance, let's have this section here. Alright, so now if we here search for search module, we have block called hypersearch. Let's drag and drop it here. Then from our search records, we can select the search which one we want to use here. Let's use the post search box. We can see that we have created a post search box here. Simply we can select that and publish that. Then if we visit this page, let's view this page, and yeah, we can see the search module is here. Let's search for hello. Now you can see that our hello world post is showing up. Let's go for lorem. Yeah, so our all the posts that is include the lorem word is show up here. So yes, this is a real-time AJAX plugin with our custom post type and everything. So if you guys want, we can have a detailed tutorial series for this plugin. So let me know in the comment box. Thank you.